How to check Facebook photo albums. If you are looking for ways to see your albums created on Facebook, this video is for you. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. This will land you on your profile timeline. Continue to tap on photos. With this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see the list of tagged photos, and albums. When you swipe left a bit, you could see the albums. Make sure to tap on it. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. So this is the current album I only have, which is the profile pictures. Now for you to create any additional album, you can continue to tap on create albums. Then you can decide whether this album should be made public, or you can change the visibility of it after tapping on it. Then select the people that you want them to see. You can as well continue to tap on this to make this album visible to only you. In this case, I'm going to make it to be visible to only me. After then, I will then proceed to tap on the back. Then continue to give this album a name. So let's say I'm going to give it this name, private album. Then continue to tap on create. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. So this is the album that I just created, which is private album. You can create as many albums as you wish. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.